A dashboard with its speedometer stuck on 150 kilometres an hour and a blood-spattered CD are the telltale signs of a tragedy. This was the scene when a car drove the wrong way along a motorway in Germany on Sunday. 6 people were killed when the car entered the highway against traffic and crashed head-on with a van near the city of Offenburg. 5 people were travelling in the van. They were all killed. So was the 20-year-old driver of the oncoming car. The 2 other cars involved in the accident also suffered casualties, with 1 person seriously injured and 5 who escaped with cuts and bruises. As is customary for German police, the identities of the victims has not been released, but a full investigation has been launched.
Hi, I'm Phil from Truthloader, a new YouTube channel dedicated to citizen journalism. We're going to be uploading videos every day, everything from the Arab Spring to freedom of information online. So if you want to help to set the news agenda, subscribe and we'll see you on the other side.